Hello guys, we're in another Beanie Boo showcase video. But now we're doing the birds. So here's our first one. I don't know what kind of bird. Pretty much I know these are, but this bird's name is Cuckoo. Oh, and please comment down below on any other videos which stuffed animal is your favorite Beanie Boo. Like, write down I like and the Beanie Boo's name, please. And date of birth is January 5th, 1997. Peck. Next one, I don't know what this is again. I'm bad at birds. It's red and black. Its name is Mac. Date of birth, June 10th, 1998. I know what kind of bird this is, though. This is a robin. Betty. I think its name is Robin. I'm not sure. It's early. And the date of birth is March 20th, 1997. Again, its name is Early. Next one is a blue jay. His name is probably Blue or Jet. I think it's Jet. Oh, it's Rocket. Date of birth, March 12th, 1997. These birds are old. Next isn't really considered a, I wouldn't consider it a bird, but I'm not sure. It's a chicken.
A few minutes ago. I mean, we got home.
Yeah, it's chicken. Considering it a bird. Its name is Strut. Date of birth, March 8th, 1996. Again, name is Strut. Next one is a hummingbird. A brown hummingbird. I don't know any of the names. His name is Beak, or her name. Date of birth, February 3rd, 1998. Again, the name is Beak. Next is a pelican. I think I remember his name. I think it's like Scoop. Yeah, Scoop. And date of birth is July 1st, 1996. Tell me if any of these are like the same year you were born or same day you're born. Next one I think is the cutest. His name is Egbert, I think. Yeah, Egbert. Date of birth April 10th, 1998. I think that is it. The exact same day as my cousin was born and year. I'm not sure, but I know that it's the same year. I mean, same day as my cousin was born. It's really cool. Connor's birthday. So yeah, that is all the birds, or considered birds, in the Beanie Boo showcase for today. Again, we're gonna do the random stuff Beanie Boos soon, also known as 2 seconds. And yeah, bye.